Today, we're going to talk a little bit about dorm room essentials. Before we get started, comment down below what's you're most excited for. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And guys, let's jump into this. Number one on that list, a laptop. We know that's going to be a necessity. I absolutely love my 2-in-1 computer. It makes things so much easier when I want to use it as a tablet or use it as a traditional laptop. And I don't have to have multiple devices, which is great for college. Number two, power strips are a little scarce in some dorm rooms. So investing in 1, 2, maybe 3 power cords might be an advantage for you. You are going to want to get a good pair of noise-canceling headphones because you're going to be studying. Number 4, shared spaces is a thing, and that includes your bathroom and shower area. So a shower caddy is an essential. I highly recommend looking into this. You can put all of your stuff in it and you don't have to worry about taking it out when you're done. You just take the shower caddy from your room to your shower and you're done. A laundry basket. This is essential, but we also have to keep in mind that space is going to be limited. So a cloth laundry basket or a bendable laundry basket is going to be a game changer for you and your small space. Since storage is such an issue in dorm rooms, let's look at the cloth storage boxes. These you can pull out. There are multiple different colors to fit your wants and needs. And when you're not using them, you can just fold them up and tuck them away. Have storage when you need it, put it away when you don't. A handheld vacuum is going to give you the ability to keep your space clean and tidy. Absolutely necessity. I honestly wish that I would have had one in my dorm room when I started off. Command hooks. These things are gonna save you because you're not gonna have to put holes in the wall and you can still decorate or put whatever you want up on the wall. Next thing we're gonna look at is a mini fridge. You're studying for an exam and you really just want a soda. You got a mini fridge in your room, just open it up and you have a cold drink while you're finishing up your studying. Now the next thing we're gonna look at is a box fan. So some of those dorm rooms can get pretty warm and you wanna be able to keep your space nice and cool. Guys, thanks so much for joining in. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments below, what did I miss? What's on your dorm room essentials list? Thanks so much, guys. Have a good one.